In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your captions bold in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you're polishing your edits and want your on-screen captions to stand out for clarity and accessibility, bold text can make a big difference. Let's walk through the process from the timeline to preview, keeping everything simple and precise so you can follow along without missing a beat. First, click to select your caption clip in the timeline. This is the clip that contains the subtitle or caption text you want to style. If you have multiple caption segments, be sure you're selecting the specific one you want to affect. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted in your timeline. Next, open the Essential Graphics panel. If you don't already see it on your screen, go to the top menu, choose Window, then select Essential Graphics. This panel is where Premiere Pro gathers all your text styling tools so you can control the look of your captions in one place. Inside the Essential Graphics panel, switch to the Edit tab. This tab lets you work directly with the properties of the text in your selected caption clip. Click once inside the caption text field to activate it, then drag your mouse to highlight the exact portion of text you want to style. If you want the entire caption to be bold, highlight all of it. With the text highlighted, look under the Text Properties section and find the Style Controls. Click the Bold Style button, which is the icon labeled with a capital B. As soon as you click it, Premiere Pro will apply the bold weight to your selection. If your chosen font supports a bold weight, you'll see the change instantly. Some fonts don't include a bold variant, so the appearance might not change in those cases. That's normal behavior for fonts that don't have built-in bold styles. For the cleanest results, working with a font family that includes a bold option will give you the strongest, most readable outcome. Now take a moment to preview your work, play back your sequence in the program monitor, and watch the captions as they appear over your video. You should see the bold styling clearly, improving contrast and readability, especially over busy backgrounds or in smaller sizes. If anything looks cramped, consider slightly increasing the text size or line spacing within the same panel to maintain legibility while keeping your timing intact. And that's it. You've selected your caption clip, opened Essential Graphics, highlighted your text, applied the bold style, and previewed